Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me today. Today I have a slow, deep stretch practice for you that you can do first thing in the morning to wake up the body, to get the blood moving, to get the chi flowing, and feel good mentally and physically. Go ahead and get ready, and let's begin. Begin in a standing position with your feet firm on the ground, soft knees, relaxed hips, and relaxed lower back. Make your spine nice and tall and reach upwards through the back of the neck and the crown of the head. Let your shoulders relax down all the way to your fingertips. Take a moment here to settle in, to ground yourself through your feet and become aware of your physical body. You can take a couple of deep, comforting breaths to bring your awareness to your breath. We begin by opening through the sides. Relax your shoulders and keep your palms facing the ground. Turn your palms up, reach upwards. Begin to come up on your toes as you lift yourself all the way to the top. Release and begin to soften as your hands pass in your body. We go again. Take your time to open the joints. Begin to feel your body. Turn, go up, and feel as if your hands are being lifted towards the sky. Stay connected to the ground, using your toes for balance. Make your spine nice and tall. Release softly and come back down. Next, go ahead and bring your hands near your abdomen. Lift to the chest and open through the front of the body. Focusing on your chest, your neck. Look up. Release and bring your hands down, allowing your face to soften, your chest to relax, your rib cage and your belly. We go again. Go up. Press out. Release. And relax fully. From here, bring your hands in, then open to the sides. Turn, so your thumbs are looking behind. Turn and look behind your shoulder at your thumb. Close your hands, bringing them back and soften here. Stand up and open to the other side. Slowly turn, open your chest and look behind your shoulder. Release and draw the hands back. One more time on each side, we open. Soften as you relax the whole body. One more time to this side. Relax and let your hands rest by the sides. Meantime, take this time to observe the sensations in your body. Feel your chest, feel the area down your arms, feel your thumbs. From here, go ahead and place your hands on your belly. Begin to circle around to bring the warmth to the abdominal area. From here, move through the middle and to the lower back, bringing the warmth to the kidneys. Massage your lower back. Then return back to the abdomen. We're going to do a few circles like this to make sure we feel nice and warm. Move to the back again. Massage your kidneys. Back to the abdomen. Focus in your mind, focus in your attention on the warmth coming from your palms, penetrating through the body, going into your belly, go to the kidneys. Then from here, pause and gently push your lower back forward, look up. Release, go down, make sure your hands pass the back of your legs. Wrap yourself behind your knees and take a moment to lengthen through your spine. Move your hands to the front. Slowly raise up, covering the inner area through the groin and back to the belly. Continue, go to the back. Open, look up. Release. Stop at your knees to keep your back nice and flat. Your spine is nice and tall. Move to the front and slowly come up. Finishing and bringing awareness back to the abdomen. Relax your hands by the side. Then go ahead and turn. Place your hand on your lower back and grab your ear. Your left elbow will go forward and down towards your right knee. Hold this position. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Then press in all the ground. Slowly raise up. Twist. Turn to the side to open your chest. Look up. Come back straight. Keep your knees slightly soft as you turn all the way to the back. Release from here. And then at the center, change hands. This time, your right elbow will face your left knee. Go as low as you feel comfortable. 1, 2, 3. Press in all the ground, using the strength of your legs. Slowly stand up. Turn to the side. Open your chest, look up. Release. Come through center. And then twisting from your legs, turn to the back. Keep your spine nice and straight. Come back and relax your hands. Soften. Take a moment to relax the muscle of the back. Soften your hips. And allow the body weight to sink down into your feet. To finish this routine, we're going to do the crane movement. Fantastic exercise to open the chest, to breathe, to really open the body. Keep your feet parallel. We're going to inhale, stand on one leg and lift another. Come back down and change sides. Release. Inhale as we open. Exhale down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Continue this breathing pattern. Keep it light, keep it graceful, and enjoy yourself. Keep your body open, feel the joints open. Very good. Relax your foot down. Then go ahead and bring your feet together. The crane opens his wings. We're going to come up on the toes. The back of the hands meet directly above the head. Then squat down, cross your hands near your abdomen. Go ahead and inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Use the strength of your legs to go down. Taking pressure from the lower back. Your spine is nice and long. Your shoulders relaxed. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out this time. Come back down. Exhale fully. Step out to a comfortable stance. Distribute the weight. Begin to adjust your alignment, adjust the structure. And take a moment to notice how you feel in your body. Lots of space and awareness. Sense of aliveness spreading throughout your body. Then go ahead and take a nice big breath in. Exhale, let your breath sink down, washing over your entire body. Breathe in, gathering the energy of a new day, bright light, and let it shine down your body, bringing your vitality, bringing your energy, bringing your health. Breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Relax your hands to the side. Step close just below your navel and take a few seconds, minutes to concentrate on yourself, to bring your awareness to the body. relax. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this slow routine. I hope it helps you to slow down, to feel more present, to be in your body, to enjoy the moment, and you're ready to tackle your day. Thank you for joining me. I wish you a good day. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.